Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, there's a car in here that y'all seen before. It's my buddy's car. It's that Mustang that I did a full detail on a couple months back. So he brought it back in here. We're gonna do some upgrades to it. He bought a couple lights we're gonna put on there, and we're gonna get he got some wheels for it too, which they're right here. He got some 17s all blacked out, so we're gonna go ahead and clean these up and ceramic coat them and put them on the car. All right guys, so this is what he bought. So he's got some new tail lights going in there. There's smoke, some new headlights as well. Also a brand new third brake light over here and fog lights. This car doesn't have fog lights right now, so I'm gonna add those. So these are the harnesses for the rear, for the tail lights, all that, the headlights, fog light bulbs, all the wiring harnesses. And like I said, the fog lights are gonna go right there. And this is not meant for fog lights, but we're gonna add them on there and get them going. But yeah, it's gonna look good. So we're gonna start in the back first and get that wired up, which is, like I said, it's just these rear tail lights, so it shouldn't be too bad. Let me go get the keys. Alright, so for that third brake light, for the third brake light, we're just gonna unscrew those bolts, which as you can see is only they're like 10mm bolts. Take those out, pop in the new one, and go from there. So yeah. Alright, so this is third brake light, so I just gotta take off these harnesses and slap them on that one so it'll fit. Move these. Alright guys, third brake light is on. There it is. Like I said, just remove the harness, those two bolts up there, and plug everything back in. That's it. Now we're going to do these tail lights. These ain't too hard, but we're going to go ahead and do these. Everything, pop all this off. There it is. Alright, so this is the new tail light. This is the old tail light, but if you see, the new tail lights came with new wiring harnesses, so I'm just gonna replicate this on this side with the new harnesses. So let me just go ahead and get the other harnesses. Put y'all right here. It should be alright. Like I said, everything's LED, so all the bolts are there. So this is the harness right here. I don't think it really matters which side is what, as long as everything matches. Obviously, this will be right here. Alright, so we're going to try it out before we put it on the car. Alright guys, so the tail lights and third brake light are in. Looks good. The only issue that I found was that these bulbs, the LEDs that came with them, these didn't work. So I thought it was the harness for the sequential, but it's these bulbs that are not designed for that. So I put the factory bulbs back in, and we'll go ahead and show y'all what it looks like, but everything works. Okay, sequential light. Do the other side as well. First as it should. Alright guys, so as y'all saw, I took off the headlight and I'm gonna put these fog lights in, but as you can see, this Mustang is not equipped with fog lights. So the good thing is that I noticed that it actually has a clip up under here where they actually mount up. So it's gonna mount up like this. It's got one tab at the bottom and then two on top, and there's actually two bolts right there. But all I'm just gonna do is cut this out, these tabs out, and push the fog light in through, and then just screw it in there. We should be good to go. Alright, so I ended up taking this bumper apart, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I got going on. So right here, that's the hole for the fog light. So this tab and this tab, I'm gonna end up putting like these clips right here, and then I'm gonna just use a screwdriver to screw them in there, or screw.
pry them open. Just like that. Like that. And then, like I said, I'm going to put one of the other ones on the fog light. It's basically gonna go just like that. Screw it in there. That's it.
Alright guys, so we just got done with the Mustang. So, like I said, my buddy brought it in. We put some new headlights in there, some new LEDs, some switchbacks, and I also modified them fog lights right there. So he didn't have fog lights, there's no switch for fog lights. We modified that. The wheels are right here. They're ceramic coated, they're ready to go. I haven't put them on because we don't have the lugs. He's gonna bring them tomorrow. I'm gonna put them on. But everything's looking pretty good. The tails, like I said, brand new tail lights as well. They're the sequential ones, and a brand new third brake light as well. I think that was it for pretty much all the mods he brought, besides ceramic coating the wheels. But other than that should be it. Here's the final product. I'll show you the switchback right here real quick. Looking pretty good. They're smoked out lenses. They're the smoked ones. Smoked lenses and smoked fogs, smoked tails, and all that. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. But the car's done. All we gotta do is just put the wheels on tomorrow. And we should be good to go. You know. That's it. Alright guys, so we are done with the Mustang. So it came out really nice, it came out really clean. As you can see, it's already got the 17s. Those look like factory wheels, but they're in gloss black. I think he bought everything from American Muscle, so shout out to American Muscle for all the parts, and everything fit really good. Like I said, we only did the wheels. We put the wheels on there. He got some new LED or tail lights, some smoke ones, and the third brake light smoked as well, LED. So all that's on there. Looks really good, looks really clean. So I ended up ceramic coating the headlights, the tail lights, the third brake light, the wheels, so they can have maximum protection. But the Mustang came out really good. There's the headlights right there. They're clear, or the clears, but smoked lenses with everything LED and switchbacks. And like I said, he did not have fog lights in this car. I ended up having to modify all that and putting them on there. I'll show y'all in a minute. But the holes are already there. Like I said, they were from factory. I just cut out the pieces in there, and that was it. But these are good to go. I can go ahead and turn them on. There is. But yeah, guys, the Mustang came out really good. Like I said, I just cut a few mods to it. He's gonna get the whole car repainted eventually. But other than that, like I said, y'all saw I did a full detail on it a couple months back. Came back and wanted these accessories done. And anything else he wants to put on it, like I said, he'll let me know. But other than that, it looks pretty good. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. Please like, subscribe, comment, tag, share, whatever you need to do. And we'll see y'all next one. Also, like I said, I do got some merch still in stock. So I'm going to have the link in the description. nonivel.bigcartel.com is the website. Get y'all some merch. Like I said, that's the brand right there on the back of the truck. But yeah, let me know what y'all guys think, and we'll see y'all next one. Peace.